So hey guys, welcome to the video. We're gonna talk about how I made $13,000 in total. I'll leave the screenshot. I made $13,000 in 2 weeks, and first week I made $6,000, and then second week I made $7,000. So in total $13,000. I took $8,000 payout from it. First $3,000 payout, and then the next payout was $5,000. So altogether $8,000. It's not a flex, but I think if I can do it, anybody can do it, and that's why I'm here. I'm gonna show you guys like what strategy I use mainly. If you are old in this channel, on this channel, then I think you already know I use 2022 model. But I think lots of people don't know how to use it in live market. It's pretty hard to spot 2022 model if you are pretty new to the market and if you are new to the ICT concepts. I'm gonna show you today how I used it particularly, and there's another strategy I used to make most of the money in this account. So let's go over 2022 model first. I'm gonna spot few trades recently and which trades I took like in previous 2 weeks. And yeah, let's go over the recent trades. I'm not gonna go like past 2 weeks and find the trades I took, but like recently which trades. I'm kind of trades will be similar to what I took last week and then previous 2 weeks as well. So like I can show you guys how you can spot those kind of trades in the live market. I'll also drop the screenshot of the trades, like previous few trades I took. Like you can see the screen is filled with the screenshots. Those kind of the trades I take. But let's go over the charts and find out how I use like after in New York session 2022 model. So if we do go over the charts, let's just go to starting of the November, right? Because that's when all this started. I passed this account. So I'm just gonna mark 9:30 of each day and try to spot like good trades and show you guys how I trade. Of course, it's a hindsight market, but as you can see, I made money. So I guess this strategy does work if you do use it daily. But know that the only way to learn this strategy is like going on ICT's channel. If you haven't, just go on ICT's channel, and if you already know basic stuff of him, just go to 2022 playlist and you can learn it from him. And yeah, let's just go over the market first. Look at this. I have marked out 9:30 opening for each day, as you can see on the chart. For Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and we're gonna try to spot those kind of trades like after market. If you can do it after market, I think you will be able to do it in live market as well. I'm maybe for next week I'm gonna record like whole week of trading and put together like week in a day trading, a day trader like live trading trader, 100-day trader video. So you will know better how I trade, where I trade. So like look at this, right? This was 9:30 after. What you can see is like this high was there plus this low was made on the opening of the day, but you need to watch just before the low what is happening. So this was the low just before the 9:30. So we go on like lower time frame, and I need to go way back to spot it. Look at this now. This is still 5 minutes. I need to go on because I merely trade in 1 minute, and if it doesn't work, if it doesn't work for you, I don't know. I think you can also spot trades in 1 minute as well. So there's nothing to worry about. Oh fuck, I don't have data for it. So I guess we're gonna have to try to find on 5 minutes only. I need to buy trading view premium. That reminds me of that. Okay, it's fine. On 5 minutes, as you can see, what market did, it took out the low. If it did mark out this low, it's fine. What market did is took out this low. We had inversion fair value gap. We closed strong about that. We had a 5 minute FPG there. I'm just showing you guys that you can also spot this kind of trades in 5 minutes. We had a market structure shift here, and then we dipped into this 5 minute FPG. You take a long from here, put a good amount of stop, and then target high. It will work out. Like 1 and 2 is right there, right? So it's as simple as that. You don't need to add anything. You don't need to add lots of stuff, bullshit from the internet that you see online. You just need to play it simple. A very simple strategy. On the continuation day, you may not find this kind of strategy because this week all was continuation, but still There will be signs where you will be able to find like entries every day on ICT strategy. So don't panic on the continuation day. Don't feel FOMO on the continuation day as well. Like, oh, I missed this entry. What I'm gonna do now? Don't feel. So on, as I said, this was 9:30 opening. What you do is mark out highs, you mark out lows. But unfortunately, we had a small range plus market just was ripping. What you see on that day is like market is continuously ripping. What you can do on those days? You go on lower time frame, try to find inversion fair value gap, try to find blocks which are working for you, like this kind of block. Try to find inversion fair value gap, just like this one. Look at this. It did work out perfectly. Wait for market to pull back, right? Creating FPG to the downside. Wait for it to get inverse. If market is looking way too bullish, you don't need to enter into shorts at all. You don't need to get squeezed all the time. Just wait for the inversion fair value gap. Put stop above the below the VIX, and you can target 1 gem plus 1 gem 1.5. That's all you need. If you are going for high RRs, I don't know what to say because NQ is gonna mostly fuck you up. So it's better to go with lower RRs and prop firms. You need to milk them as much as you can. So that's what I do. Just try to stay calm. Try to take like base hits all days and then make my money. That's all I do. Look at this. This was 9:30 opening. What we do is mark out high, mark out low, like most prominent low because this was a low as well. Again, what we had is displacement. We did not get the MSS here. Look at this. Market did not close below this. So this trade wasn't that prominent. If you did take entry, you took a small loss. Nothing else. Because you made money on the first 2 days, it's fine. And yes, of course, loss will come. It is, I think, 100% chances are there that you take losses, and like there's no strategy which will give you like 100% winning ratio, and you need to understand that as well. Look at this. Market did drop a lot. I think on lower time frame you might have found a trade above somewhere around here, and then you took a profit below this low. It's fine. On 5 minute, if you are trading, look at this. Market took out this low. You took a loss here, but then you see market is trending one way. What you find is inversion fair value gap, right? What market did, it inverts that, tap into that, and then run away after the lunch hour. You need to, if you are trading on 5 minutes, you need to look at the market like that, like on higher time frame. You cannot just go on the lower time frame while you are trading on 5 minutes. If you are want to trade on the lower time frame, make sure to join where I trade live every day on YouTube. You can learn from there like how you can trade like lower time frames. But yeah, look at this. Market was trending all day. If you are trading on Thursday, it was pretty serious. It was pretty obvious that market is just pumping all day. You can find, of course, long entry, or you can stay away from the market. You don't have to enter every day. You don't have to trade every day. Just just take your basics with your strategy and be done for the day. Plus, the one thing I trade also with my top FX account is like I trade through day openings. What that means is like when market close on the previous day, it takes like 1 or 2 hours break and then it reopens. I trade exactly when. That's look at it. So this was, yes, this is like day opening. Just gonna show you 1 2 example because I don't wanna go into too technicalities. If you do wanna learn more, you can join my live stream and I'll explain it. So this was a day. What I do is go on the higher time frame and try to decide my bias for whole day or at least to the London session. And what I do is that trade on the continuation. If market has pumped way through, if you go on the lower time frame, hopefully we have data till then. Yes, we do. I think this was a on lower time frame. You can find the entries. Look at this. This was the continuation. market did pump, what I do is just trade on the continuation. I take entries on the continuation on every pullback and then let my winners run for 30, 40, 50 points. And I'm with high contracts like 3, 4 minutes, 5 minutes because I'm trying to run these accounts up. And if I want to do it, I think I need to do it. Like leave my runners run, take 2, 3 mini out and then leave runners up. And 30, 40 points is all I need to make like what instant kind of $2,000, $1,500. And as you can see, my daily panel used to look like that: $2,000, $1,500, $1,700. So be smart about how you trade. Try to upgrade yourself, like try to mold yourself into current market conditions. If you are staying like old style and like this worked in January, so if you think that it's gonna work in December, no. Every month has different kind of movement and you need to follow that. You need to upgrade yourself in such a way that you can make good amount of money. So make sure to like if you are, and why does most of the time it takes like 1 or 2 years for traders to become profitable? Because they need to see like the whole seasonal trading, all three or whatever how many seasons are there, 3 seasons, right? Because if you see how seasons are trading, how January to March or March to June, July, and July to whatever December, how they are trading for once, you know that next year how they're gonna move. So be smart about your trading always. Be vigilant what you are doing. Let's just find a next day opening and see if we can find something. Okay, just gonna go high time frame. Just gonna spot the opening. This was it, and then there you go. This was the close, and we opened. Okay, this is it. Now look at the recent market. What market has been doing? We are moving to the upside, right? We have a FPG unfilled area, right? So most obvious TP will be your if you are going long, if you are bias long, and your bias should be long because look at this market. It is trying to go back up again into this unfilled area of that FPG 15 minute. What I did is just simply buy at the open as soon as I get the pullback or whatever. Let's just say I buy at the right at the open, put my SL like good amount of SL and take one gem one even if I find it. Look at this, perfect trade. I don't need to worry about all that one, right? But make sure you take basics on the trades like that where you don't know market is going. As soon as you are buying like market opens, they are the true day opening, and just try to use ICT concept in a way that look at this. Like I had a unfilled FPG area, so what I did is took out at the high. As simple as that. You don't need to complement stuff. Let's go to another day opening, right? So this is where market open, right? What market is doing? Market is shifting the structure. It feels some kind of FPG there and it is pulling back. What you can see is it is coming back down. What you look at the PDRS, you look at the open FPGs left, where market is going towards, and you just sort it like continuation. Market started falling. What you do is take a continuation trade, like on pullbacks like this, put your SL above the high, and take your profit to the nearest FPG or nearest low or nearest breaker block, order block, any. The strategy as it's simple as it is. We don't need to complement anything. We don't need to put Gamecraft. This is that. This is what. No, it does work. I did made lots of amount with $13,000 in 2 weeks. So yeah, one of the craziest trade I missed. Of course, I booked like $500, $600 on each account. I was trading five accounts. Copy trading was this. Look at this. Of course, it's hindsight money. Whatever I could book, I did book it at the time. But look at the potential of this market. I'm not talking hindsight at all. I did take this trade. I do update it on my Discord every day. Market did open, right? it did give you pullback, and then as soon as it opened here, it dumped. What you do is wait for the pullback, take an entry on that, and target like nearest highs, lows, whatever you can. So we had a FEG opened up here. If you do zoom in, you can do it later on. But look at that, 100 pointers. And do you want to see where market went all day? 500 points. But of course, that's hindsight. You don't want to talk about that. I will get roasted in the comments. So it's as simple as that. That's the only two strategy I used to make this kind of money. And if you find you're putting there, you can use that too. Yeah, those are the two models: 2022 pure model in the NY session, and then continuation model in the day opening. Results are I just showed you in the starting of the video, so you cannot say anything about the strategy. I'm gonna continue using it until they work, and yeah, I'm gonna make money on that. Plus risk. When I started these accounts, only one account I had. So what I thought, like, I'm gonna run this account like crazy in the next 2 weeks. That's exactly what I did. But I took a bigger risk. On the first day, I took $500 risk. I made $2,500, and as soon as I made that much amount of money, I knew that this account is ready. On the first day, yes, I took bigger risk because we have $2,000 drawdown. Like I used like 25% of the drawdown in one trade, but I knew for sure that gonna work out. And then I started risking more and more, and then started taking safe hits like base hits, 1 gem 1, 1 gem 1.5, and snowballing effect. Ending up 2 weeks, I was up $13,000. So yeah, that was the whole video. I've been asked about my strategy a lot. 2022 model, you already know highs. You mark highs and low on 15 minutes just before the New York session open. Wait for them to be taken out. Displacement, MSS, FPG. If you don't know about this strategy, go to ICT's channel, search for 2022 model playlist. You can find it there. And continuation, I just showed you like 3-4 examples. So yeah, that's all. Just gonna record. I think from this week, I'm gonna trade. I have 5 express account of Top Step. I'm gonna start trading 3 of them, copy trading them, and let's see how much I can make. I'll update you guys by the end of next week on the videos like this with the stats, with the transparency as much as possible. And yeah, see you guys on the next week. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and join our daily live stream if you are liking my strategy.